Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TayaLatrice, and I'm back with another video. You guys, today's video, as you can see by the title, is going to be the unboxing and review of the Neewer 18-inch ring light, you guys. Yes, the Neewer 18-inch ring light is one of the most popular ring lights on Amazon. And I am here to review and unbox it for you. So if you're ready to see that video, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I've taken the ring light out of the box, as you guys can see, and now it's time for me to put it together. It looks like a ton of instructions, you guys. It's a whole booklet, piece of paper here of instructions. So I'm about to put this together and wish me luck. Okay. Okay guys, so I finally got it together, and oh my gosh, I'm using it right now. Look at this lighting on my face. Oh my goodness, my skin looks so good. Y'all, this is the orange light. It does come with the white light attachment that you can put on as well. But ooh, y'all, I am glowing. This is beautiful. It's so much light in this room. I'm gonna turn off of this light right here so you guys can see how much light is. Like, that was literally no difference. Y'all, look at my skin. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's amazing. Look at my eyes. I love when I see like commercials and stuff and you can see like the ring light in their eyes. That I think that is so pretty. It makes their eyes look beautiful. But y'all, I'm so happy with this ring light. Oh my goodness, look at my skin. It is glowing. Y'all, I look like I got good skin. Like clear skin and stuff. Can't even see like none of my, well, you can kind of see that mark right there. But y'all, I cannot wait. My YouTube video is about to be lit. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel because I'm coming with the bangers. Y'all, but this is beautiful. Like, look, I just look so good. My shirt blessed. Definitely blessed, y'all. I just can't get over this ring light. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing, y'all. My review, this is my first time trying it out. I love it already, y'all. I like the fact that I can adjust my phone. So like I can tilt my phone, tilt it back. I can tilt the ring light. Once you unscrew this top screw, you can adjust the ring light as well. I can turn it any way I want. Let me tighten it back up, y'all. But yeah, okay. I didn't adjust it how I had it at first. So let me tilt it back some more. There we go. So yeah, it's, y'all, I haven't even tried the white light one yet, and I might try it later and show you guys how that one looked. But this one, this orange color filter, amazing. Look at my eyes, y'all. But yes, so I'll come back with the white filter on so you guys can see that and get a full, you know, review of the whole thing. But so far I love it. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay guys, I just had to come back real quick just to show you guys that it is adjustable. So I have turned it down some, as you guys probably noticed from the last clip to this clip. It's turned down some, but I can turn it down even more. Y'all, look at that. Amazing. Turn it all the way up. Back down I go. Y'all, I love this ring light. I love it. I love it. I love it. If you have the money, I would definitely suggest, if not, save up and get this. Don't get one of them little ones that ain't gonna do you justice, honey. Save up and get this one. This one is beautiful. I love it. But let me go ahead and put the white light on so you guys can see that. Okay guys, so I'm back with the white light. Let me make sure it's on the lowest. Okay, this is the lowest setting right here. Still a lot of light, y'all. Still a lot of light. And then I'll turn it up to the brightest setting. Ooh. Ooh. Woo! Y'all, that's a little bit too bright. Let me back up. But y'all, I definitely love both of the filters or whatever, the white light and the color light. But I believe the color light got the white light beat. Y'all, I just love how my skin was like so glowy with the color light. But y'all, this is a nice light. It really is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love the ring light. It is very, very nice, y'all. I'll give you guys one final look at it at the very, very end. But as always, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you guys can be notified each and every time I post.